This 2015 Forest River Forester 2501TS is a Class C RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This used Forest River is 26 feet 11 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 6, stovetop burner, air conditioning, microwave, slideout, refrigerator, water heater, leveling jacks, smoke detector, TV, DVD player, and 50-gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, bunkhouse, front dinette, front kitchen, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. This 2015 Forest River Forester 2501TS is built on a Ford chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.